What can Touch Inspect do for you? Regardless of industry, nearly every company has assets to manage, whether they're airplanes, hotel rooms, storm drains, or even patients in a hospital. But how do you manage those assets efficiently? And how do you empower your employees to accurately track, update, inspect, and report on those assets? The answer is Touch Inspect. Touch Inspect increases your workforce's efficiency by completely eliminating the need to travel back and forth between the field and the office to file reports or to pick up the next case. Information goes directly from the device to your database and is ready to be reported on. There's no forgetting the proper form or missing out on changes in protocol because they're already built into the application. All this means that workers can plan their routes more effectively and hit more sites each day. Touch Inspect keeps your entire workforce up to date because everyone has access to the same data without the need for manual updates. Not only that, every time a user completes an action, a geospatial location marker is automatically reported to the database, which allow you to accurately track and verify where your workers and assets are. With Touch Inspect, just because your connection is lost doesn't mean that your data is lost. Even when out of range or with a bad signal, all work is safely stored on the device itself. As soon as a connection is restored, all of the collected offline data is automatically transmitted to your database. Maps and other geospatial data are also stored on the device, meaning that if your employee loses their signal, they can still access their maps and continue working. Not only that, they can even continue to use those maps to assign geospatial coordinates to assets and inspections. This revolutionary feature puts an end to lost man-hours caused by lost connections. Since the most up-to-date information is always at everyone's fingertips, your workers are able to review past inspections done by themselves or by other users, allowing them to make more informed decisions and better recommendations. Touch Inspect's touch-based user interface keeps your workers engaged while allowing them to get more work done in less time. Unlike other applications, Touch Inspect screens are colorful, easy to read, and highly intuitive. With large buttons that can even be used with gloves on, navigation is easy, and logical work path animations keep workers' attention focused on getting the job done. Don't worry about the typical hassle of switching to a new system. Touch Inspect is remarkably easy to implement and can be deployed in days, not weeks or months. It's flexible enough to work for any industry, and our easy-to-use configuration tools let you quickly adapt to your changing business needs. It's even capable of importing your existing data from a variety of other sources for a smooth transition. And it's all done with no coding required. So, what can Touch Inspect do for you? It can speed up individual workflows, eliminate hours of needless downtime, and empower your employees with an application that is truly easy and fun to use, all of which improves your ROI. Make your workforce more agile, more productive, and more accountable than ever before. It's easier than you think. Contact us today to learn more.